Welcome to a very short video just on showing you some of the parts that are coming for the new computer, as well as some of the parts for the Windows 7 computer. So come on, let's take a look at some of them. We'll have a grand unboxing one of these days, but it may be a little ways off. Check it out. You like new parts? Hey, Arma 2 will run on the new machine also. Alright, come on.
Well guys, there's the new Corsair case for the Windows 10 computer. Here is a pile of parts. We have got parts and pieces and all kinds of goodies. Here's 3 fans, and here's 3 more fans, all RBG. There's the motherboard for the new computer, X299 EVGA Dark. There's the cooler for that one. No, actually, that's not. That may be going back. Any of you guys need this? Let me know in a hurry. But this is the one that's going to go in the Windows 10 computer, along with the Core i9. And look at this. How do you like this here? There's a 2 terabyte PCIe drive that goes right into a slot and will be faster than a hyena. It'll be very fast. And then here's another 870 Evo, 2.5 terabytes going in it. And here is the Renegade Kingston Fury. That is the RAM for the new computer. And here's the Cryonaut
Thermal Grizzle,
That's gonna be for the heatsink. And let's see, under the Core i9, if we look over here and try to move this gently out of the way, this great big critter. Let's set him over here for now. I will show you the GeForce RTX 3080 Ti
Founders Edition.
Oh, I'm looking forward to this. Now, you may not have known, but there's 64 gigs of DDR4 right here. So this is all going together pretty soon. And here the old girl, poor little critter. This is the new water radiator for that, because that's what I've kind of got in there now. You can't see it too good, but there is one in there with these real shitty fucking hoses, which I found out that hoses like this actually let the water or the liquid dissipate by accident over time, and you end up with a real fucked up situation. Plus, the hoses are not quite the way they should be. They should be way above the pump, and I probably fucked that up. But anyway, here is the Patriot RAM. There's 1 stick of it. Viper.
No, these are 2 8 sticks. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Oh, that's not good. That's not fucking good. Uh-oh, there's a fuck up. That better not be true.
Okay, here's 2 times 8 is 16. That's good. But I think this is going to be a fuck up. It should be 1 stick of 8. Oh, balls. Well, we'll see what happens. I do have 4 places, but I don't know if you can do it that way. Oh, boy, just find that shit out now. Okay, well, we'll see what happens.